Tubod is such a beautiful place and a beautiful name. In Bisaya, tubod means tinuglan, gigikanan, o sa mas tukma nga pagkalito ang gigikanan sa tubig. Or RD and those who may not understand our Visayan terms, tubod means wellspring. It's the source, the origin, the fountainhead, the head spring, the head water that provides. See, tubod, as I have said, is such a beautiful name. And thus today, we hold a very significant activity, the search for the president of Tubod College. The seedbed, the fountainhead of knowledge and learning, an important central source for awakening, for stimulation, for growth and development.